Hello everyone, this is demo of my AutoCAD Add-in to help with footing BBS calculation. This add-in is developed in C# using AutoCAD.NET API. My name is Vivek and I specialize in developing automation tools for civil engineering applications. Let's start with quick demo of how this add-in works. So this add-in have two main functions, bar generation and BBS table generation. So to generate reinforcement bar, first thing we need to set up our inputs. For example, this rectangular footing have main bars in two directions. So we need two inputs, one for each direction. For this bar along x direction, we have to specify this bar dia and spacing along with its additional data. This data represent bar angle, cover and L bend. We have to specify this for each bar. For bar along y direction, same process. Only change from first bar is now bar angle is at 90 degree. Colors are also important here to identify element types. White color is fixed for outer boundary and red and yellow colors are for main bars. Now to draw reinforcement, just select everything and click on draw bar button. Benefit of this system is that you can clearly see individual bar. So it's hard to make any mistake with this setup. Also, if you want to change anything, you can just edit that individual polyline to make any adjustment you like. To generate BBS table, you can just select everything again and just click on BBS table button. Additionally, you can also copy this AutoCAD table and paste it in Excel for further calculation. Now let's try this add-in on few more shapes. Here we have rectangular footing with cutout in middle. And as you can see, the cutout part is automatically adjusted. And let me also generate BBS table for this. And it's working perfectly. Now let's try this again on L-shaped footing, and all reinforcement bars are generated as expected. Let me also generate BBS table for this. And it's done. Let's try this on this odd shape footing, and it's working perfectly. Generating BBS table again, and it's working. Now let's try with this shape. So this shape has inclined line on this top left part. So due to this shape, it's very hard to calculate length of individual bars for that particular portion. But for this shape, it's very easy to calculate BBS using this add-in. And all bars are generated perfectly. Generating BBS table again, and it's working. Now let's try this complex shape, and all bars are generated perfectly. So sometimes in addition to main bars, you will also have some extra bars on some parts of footing. So same logic and same inputs applied for our extra bars. You have to specify boundaries for that individual bars along with its bar input. Now let's try to generate reinforcement bars for this shape, and it's working. So as you can see, in addition to main bars, you can also see those extra bars. Generating BBS for the entire footing, and it's done. So as you can see how complex this is. This kind of calculation is very hard to do manually with good accuracy. Benefit of this method is that you can visualize your reinforcement before calculating your BBS table. So this will work with any shape and size with good accuracy. So This is it for this demo. If you are interested in more tutorials on automation in civil engineering, then do check out the blogs on my website. If you have any question about automation or this project, feel free to ask me in the comments.